How's it going, guys? I just pretty much want to bring this topic to my channel because a lot of people are in different situations, and I've been in this home business space for a long time, part-time, super part-time. Like, I don't think there was ever a time really that I was super locked in like I am now. I was just always seeing where it took me. It was a nice way to make extra money. But the more I venture into my businesses and I venture into, this space, you start really seeing that it's really a thing. Like, it's really possible for this to pay you full time. It's really possible for you to be a remote worker. And I've seen so many testimonials, man. It's so crazy. Like, if you scroll on my videos from years ago, it's just so crazy to see where I've come from, and just the whole process of staying locked in and doing this. Like, if a lot of you would have took advantage years ago, you would be in a way better position, even if it's just on a knowledge standpoint. That's just as important. So you're not starting from ground zero. But anyways, I'm just bringing different looks to the channel. I really want to get back to my face videos, and where I used to just press record. I barely used to really edit like that. Some videos were long and wordy, but they used to convert a lot. And I'm very motivated because a lot of you out there need this. You need a way that you can kind of voice your products, voice your new industry that you're in, if you choose to step into this into this industry, and you don't need a lot of learning curve. If I come here with super polished videos, a wild learning curve, and everything so confusing, a lot of you will never see success. So there's just different ways for you to reach the people. That's all it is reaching the people. The newest venture that I haven't really been posting that much on YouTube, but the newest venture is a company that I've been with for the last year, trying their health and wellness products. And if you probably don't know, but I've been in holistic health and wellness for about 5 years, with different herbalists, buying products, etc., getting my life back on track. And I know a lot of you are in that position. It's probably hectic out here with health issues and things like that, deficiencies, gut health. And this year I want to get that fully on track. I want to be a full-time health influencer. I want to be a full-time in the holistic space. And I know many of you can relate to that. You have family members or different people who could use some help in the products that I've been taking for the last year. And I haven't even took a lot of them. It's just a select few. And I'll be bringing more products into my arsenal this year. I'm going to go crazy pretty much. I'm going to put all my budget into testing different products and really learning these things. But it's just an amazing niche. It's just an amazing niche. A lot of people need these things. A lot of people buy these things, but a lot of people don't know about the formulations that I've been blessed to run across. They don't know about the things that we're doing in the business that you're going to learn about. Green Organics is the company. They have personal care as well, which is really good, meaning soaps, deodorants, essential oils, bath bombs, all natural, and they have a supplement side. So all natural formulation. So it's just a win-win. And if you're someone who wants to earn some extra money, even better. This company pays you daily, weekly, and it just gets no better than that. It gets no better than that. And I love direct sales because I've been in this affiliate game for a while, and you eat what you kill. So it's no fun when you're burnt out or when life happens and you have to stop promoting videos for a little bit and your business pretty much stops. Whereas if you're in a direct sales business and you train people on how to promote products on the internet, they go build their own organizations, they go do their own thing, and your business keeps moving. 100% of your own efforts is cool until you can't provide that 100% worth of effort. Then your business stops. So 1% of 1,000 to me is better, because those thousands of people are going to keep marching and doing their thing and working hard, and I'm still going to be earning in some way, whether I get on the internet, am on vacation or not. So I'm going to be bringing a lot of videos just like this, talking about different topics, just straight raw content. I'm not going to edit it, just going to upload it straight to YouTube. Might not even have a thumbnail, just a title. If you're someone who wants to make money online, like you really need something else, you're really burnt out, you're really exhausted, and you really want to get into the home-based space, I'm going to show you a support and a community, support community, and a product and a business model, and, you know, a high demand niche that you can get into right now for under $200 a month. Great products that are going to help you as well, and you could really just start doing a 180 on your life, you know, now. So all the information is going to be in the description. Let me know if you have any questions, and all my information will be in the description.